3 of my physics video series where I'll be talking about vector subtractions. Now this is a little different from vector addition, so we'll just get right into it. Now here we have a minus b, so vector b subtracting vector a is the exact same thing as saying a plus negative b. Now, like I said before, we're going to be throwing some linear algebra to make the concept of vector subtraction a little easier to understand. Say we have vector a 5 and 0, so 5 across the x-axis and then 0 at the origin basically of the y, so not moving up or down. And we have vector b, which is 0, negative 5, so moving all the way down. Now, and here you see the bolded blue arrows that I drew in with a chalk. Those would be your vector a and vector b. Now, in order to subtract the vectors, you have to line up the tail, which is the non-arrow side of the vector, and the head will line up to the other end of the vector. Now, this actually makes a nice, lovely little right triangle. So when we talk about projectile motion, Pythagorean theorem will be thrown into this. It's actually used quite a bit in vector analysis. So again, linear algebra, helps explain these concepts a lot more rigorously, I should say. If you guys have physics before, talk about vectors and scales before, you'll know about the head and the tail of vectors and how vector subtraction, how you attach the two. But this linear algebra method makes it a little more precise, so you know exactly what you're doing in case the concept was a little abstract or vague or something like that. So I think the mathematics makes it a little more easy to understand. Now, very interesting, because if we were to draw the vector sum, the addition, we get this, approximating here, this little arrow right here, which looks exactly like this arrow right there, the subtraction, the subtraction of vector b from a. And they look like the same magnitude. They just look like they're in the opposite direction, which makes a lot of sense when you think about it. So again, vector subtraction is simply just taking the one vector, subtracting it from the other, and basically you subtract the components. So let's say you have something like vector v, vector v1, and we have components a1 and then b1. We'll just say it's a simple two-dimensional vector. Then we have vector 2, which will be given by a2 and b2, and then simply just vector 1 minus vector 2 will simply be a1 minus a2, and then this will be your a component, and then you also have b1 minus b2 for your b component. It kind of makes a lot of sense. You simply subtract or add or whatever it's asking you to do for the corresponding components of the vector. So that pretty much wraps up vector subtraction. See you guys in the next video.